Here we are, we're at the back of the shed now, or garden room. I've finished the sofit and fascia. I've put all the cladding on, box profile steel cladding from Cladco, and I'm just about to secure it all together. I'll put a string line in there. That's where my centre timber is. I've only put 3 timbers on this one. One at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. Should be secure enough. And then I've got the corner piece here to go on. Hang on, let me just turn the phone around. Yeah, got this corner piece to go on here. When I've finished me securing all the bolts in the middle, all the screws in the middle, and then where it overlaps, I'm going to put a few screws in here just to stop it rattling if there's any wind. So yeah, I've got to put a gutter up there yet. I might have to put a block of wood here, bracket, to bring it out a bit more. Don't know yet, we'll figure that out later. So yeah, and then we're just gonna keep going from there. Alright, watch this. Could get the bag open. Yeah, that's all on and secure. Now I've got to do is put these end caps on, probably about 250 of them, and then that's the back side done. Right, that's all the end caps put on. The corner trim is on. Yeah, don't look too bad. Alright, stay tuned for the gutter. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.